Annual losses of honeybee colonies are often attributable to an ectoparasitic mite, the varroa mite, and their associated viruses, like deformed wing virus. In this study, we investigated two techniques known to reduce varroa mite populations in honeybee colonies. Oxalic acid, or OA, sublimation can increase mite drops immediately post-treatment, but little is known about its long-term efficacy. Alternatively, colony swarming is a natural behavior that could also control mites through creating a break in brood production and consequently a break in mite reproduction. In this study, we simultaneously investigated the effect of spring OA sublimation and summer brood breaks through swarming on colony health and productivity. As expected, OA sublimation led to increased mite drops immediately after treatment. However, at least for spring treatments, OA appeared to offer no long-term benefits. This suggests that mite populations rebound post-treatment, leading to similar mite and deformed wing levels through the rest of the season, as well as no noticeable differences in bee population or brood area between control and treatment colonies. However, interestingly, honey yield from control colonies was almost triple that of treated colonies. The underlying mechanisms linking OA treatments and reductions in honey production remains to be investigated. Our second objective was to investigate the effects of summer brood breaks through swarming on colony health and productivity. Our results suggest that a break in brood during the summer significantly reduced mite levels in the fall, presumably through reductions in brood area, which suppresses mite reproduction, and increases in mite mortality as they are more vulnerable to physical damage and removal by adult bees. Mite counts were 5 times higher in the fall than summer among colonies that did not swarm. Deformed wing levels, which are directly linked to mite infestations, were also significantly lower in colonies that swarmed. Despite lower mite levels in the fall, honey yields were also lower among colonies that swarmed. Swarming during peak flower bloom significantly reduced honey yield due to a break in brood production and a significant loss of adult bees. We conclude that treating packages with OA in the spring should be approached with caution, as it can have detrimental effects on colony productivity without major gains in colony health. Contrastingly, summer brood breaks were correlated with lower levels of both mites and deformed wing levels in the fall, suggesting that implementing a summer brood break could effectively reduce varroa mite populations in colonies.